If you ever come across one of these, you better pick it up. So it's cold. I pulled out the old school portable kerosene heater. Now, back in the 1980s and 90s, this thing right here was found in a lot of homes. So kerosene heater. So I filled it up. Kerosene is so expensive right now, so I filled it up a little bit. See that little nozzle right there? It's got about a quarter tank. Finna fire it on up. See how we do this here. Take that guy. Raise that little wick. It's a little wick inside of there. Now you want to get a piece of paper so you can light this thing up. Get that thing lit. Once that guy get lit, kerosene in there, watch the magic happen. See the light there? 150, 120, up top there, 156. So that thing gets real hot. Now, definitely on the direct right there directly on the heat. It's like 350, 320. That's directly on the heat source of that kerosene. What about down here? Let's see. Put it on something down there at the bottom of it. So don't get too hot down there at the bottom. Probably still, still radiates from up in this area. That top part right there. Now I've seen people put pots on the top of this. Like my mom used to put pots on the top of this. After so long, this thing would dry out the air in your house. It would get so hot and so humid, or dry air, dry heat. So they put a pot up there. Seen that. I said back in 1980, 90, but I'm sure this was long before I was born. But this heat source right here, forever be a good brand. Kerosene, you get some kerosene and it lasts a long time. It's a little bit expensive, but see that heat right there radiating right out through that area. Somewhere in the direct heat areas, somewhere in the 400-degree mark. Probably, give or take. It's a little cheap little piece of thermometer I got, a little radiator. About 110 around the edges. Then up here, if you put your hand up there, it will burn you. After so long, it's hot to the touch. Ooh, yes, it got some heat. And up under there, let's get a little piece here. As you can see up under there is where the heat is in there.